Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Myself Ananda, and today we are going to explore how to create a XML snippet for develop an integration in Anypoint Code Builder. So this particular video is a continuation of my earlier videos on Anypoint Code Builder. So if you have not seen those videos, my request first you go through those videos and then come back and continue watching this video. I will provide all the earlier video link in the description box. Also, before proceed, I would request you guys to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I share a new video, you will get a notification. And your subscription always motivate me to come up with more videos on different technology area, especially in Mulesoft space. So let's start explore today's topic. So I logged into the Anypoint Code Builder beta version. So first thing what I will do, I will going to log into Anypoint platform because currently it is not logged into Anypoint platform. So for that, what I will do, I will press Shift Control P to open the command palette, and then I will select Mulesoft login to Anypoint platform. So once I click on that, I will allow this extension and I will click on open. So this will ask me to log into my Anypoint platform. I provide my user ID and password, and now I logged into my platform. So it's still logging in. Yeah, I believe now I logged in. And now if I go to my code builder, I can see that I can see my Anypoint platform user ID is appearing over here. That means I'm logged. So now let us create the configuration XML snippet. So for that, I will go to File and then I will go to Preference. And from Preference, I will go to Configure User Snippet. And here I will select or I will search for Mule XML. So if I click on this Mule XML JSON file, so it will open up this file. So this file will basically allow me to create a template for my original Mulesoft development in Anypoint Code Builder. This is a prerequisite for starting development or on Anypoint Code Builder. So basically what it will going to do, it will allow me to define all the connections and dependencies for what I'm going to use in my original code. So for example, if I have to use HTTP listener multiple places, I can define the HTTP listener configuration over here. And it's not the actual configuration, but basically the code snippet structure, so that when I will do the original coding, I will type or I will type for HTTP listener and it will automatically provide me a prefix with something kind of HTTP listener. And then once I select that HTTP listener as per my body definition, and we will see a actual configuration file very soon. So as per the body definition, it will create a code snippet within my actual XML implementation, and then I can define that code snippet, and accordingly it will, I will define my flow. So basically this is a template which will save my time in real development by uh, by replacing or by I don't need to uh, create or write the same line of code again and again. So let me show you a snippet. So this is a snippet I take from Mulesoft document. So let me select this and let me replace this file with that that snippets. Yeah. So now you can see that many common Mulesoft components have been defined in this configuration file, like mule flow, then HTTP listener config, and here is the name of this particular configuration. So once I type this HTTP, it will automatically give me an option with this prefix. And if I select this option, then it will replace that section, I mean that portion of code with this particular snippet. And here I have already in the configuration file, I have already defined some placeholder. So what it will do, once I will, select this particular configuration in my original code, then I can replace these values. Like I can replace, give a configuration name, I can provide a document name, I can provide an ID with some random hex code with this particular syntax, and or with this particular structure like hex code hyphen hex code. And then I can provide the host name, I can provide the port name. So similarly, it has some HTTP listener. This is the listener configuration. It's the actual HTTP listener. This is payload. This is variable. So similarly, I can keep on adding some of the components which I am going to use in my actual code, so that in Anypoint Code Builder, since the code development is on the XML snippet, not it's not a kind of drag and drop feature. So in that XML snippet, whenever I am going to add some connection or some component or some common configuration, uh, whatever I have defined in this configuration XML snippet, from that it will allow me to automatically repopulate with all these definition, and then I can configure the definition as per my requirement on that particular flow. So this is what we are going to use in our original code development. So this is the updated Mule XML JSON, how it looks like after I copy paste some of the, I have taken this definition from the Mulesoft document and I just pasted it over here. So it will give me some of the basic components. Some of the basic components which I can leverage while I will use my original deployment development. So next we will explore how to develop an integration in Anypoint Code Builder, and that will be my next video. Till then, thanks for being with me, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. That's really a motivation for me. Thanks for being with me. Until then, goodbye. Thank you.